We're going to be taking MAC's Prolong Wear Paint Pot and Paint Jelly. Lo vamos a poner en el párpado de los ojos como base. I'm going to be using, hoy vamos a estar utilizando la paleta de The Crayon Case. Ok, con una brocha grande voy a coger el color yellow. We're going to take the yellow color and we're going to just work that into the crease. So we're just going to blend that eyeshadow, that color, until it's like seeming less. Ese color rojo, it's called red, con otra brocha. Be cutting the crease and just use your concealer or your foundation to cut the crease. A little bit of my foundation here so I can just keep it at hand. And with a flat brush, this is what we're going to be using. My concealer or foundation on the bottom lid, and then I look up, and where the crease, you know, where it just transfers, you know, that's where my actual crease is at. So it's a good guideline. Puedes usar cualquier color natural, o este es el que tengo ahora, o uno así. Uno así fue que usé. Now we're going to go back to the Crayon Case palette, and I want to deepen that outer corner, and I'm going to be taking this purple, and it's just called purple. Voy a coger este color morado, porque voy a coger este color morado. Quiero oscurecer la parte de atrás del ojo. Pero solo un poquito. There's only a little bit, and we're only concentrating it right there in the outer corner. Do not take this color anywhere. So I feel like it's the purple's a little bit overpowering, so I'm gonna go back in with the red, and I'm gonna try to bring that red color back. Although I do like the purple, don't get me wrong. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. El toque final, vamos a usar este glitter de Stila, viene así, pero esta brocha obviamente es muy gruesa, so yo conseguí esta brocha que es de pintura, es de Artist Loft, la compré en Michael's. This is a paintbrush, and it's actually, you know, very thin paintbrush. I got it at Michael's, and I'm going to be taking the glitter from this Glitter and Glow from Stila, and just lining my crease.
Attention everyone, attention. We have a read today.
No quiero que mi cámara se mueva.
Mommy.
Ok, so como mi cámara se va a morir, solamente voy a terminar, voy a ponerme las pestañas, y me voy a poner un lipstick ahí color mamel y ya voy a terminar el look porque no quiero que se muera la cámara y pierda el footage porque me muero. So the camera's about to die, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this look. I'm gonna apply my falsies and apply just a regular lip color, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look. And but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for all the feedback and all the love that I get on my Instagram. And you know,